Time to take a look at the Nice Power DC power supply. So we got our user manual and our front panel instructions. And there is the power supply. Can't see we got a nice metal case all the way around. We do have some feet there on the bottom. We got our power cable. It does appear to be fused, and we do have active cooling on the back. So it says we got an input of 115 volts plus or minus 10%, output of 0 to 30 volts, and output of 0 to 10 amps. And that is a 5 amp fuse right here. We got our adjustment knobs right there. We've got our power for physically turning the guy on, our output power. We got a 2 amp USB-A port. We got our negative, positive, and our ground. And it does come with our cables. This is our power cable. That is a 3-prong plug. Then we got our positive and negative cables, and that does have alligator clips with insulation on them. So plug power into the back, and we'll plug in the black to the negative. And this does have the nut on it. So if you have a wire with a fork terminal, you could actually slide that in there and then lock it down. We can use a banana clip, or we can use that fork. Turn that guy on. All right, so we got our coarse adjustment there on the top, and we got our fine adjustment here on the bottom. And that is not an infinite dial, so that does have a minimum and a max. So let's see if we're trying to hit 24 volts. We're going to have to bring this up, bring this down. There we go. So it is possible, but it is going to take a little bit of effort if you want to get it exact. And then we got the same thing for our amps. So you can turn that up to 10.2 amps max, and then we're going to have our watt output right there. We do have a light for constant current and constant voltage. Let's go ahead and plug something in. So here I have an injector tester. I'm just going to connect the red to the red and the black to the black. This is a 12 volt system, so we're going to need to bring this down. .1207 will be fine. Turn that guy on. We do have power. You can see that's currently pulling 0.064 amps and 0.771 watts. Turn on the pump. Alright. So it is nice that we can see that guy updating. And just to make sure we can test that injector. Yep, that is working, no problem. I also appreciate that we do have that button on there that lights up green to let us know it is currently outputting voltage. So if you're looking for a nice simple power supply, that will get the job done.